Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris, and we're going to be continuing on here with our advanced training. This is going to be lesson 10. We're going to be talking about how to edit a saved report. We'll be going over what the purpose of a saved report is, and we'll be going over how to edit one once it's saved, and deleting one. Purpose of a saved report: it allows the user to run common reports with as few steps as possible. And the other advantage is that the icon for that report shows up on your home page. So let's get into this now. So go ahead and open up the VRS2 software for you. And as you can see, here's those three icons for those saved reports that I had spoken of earlier. They're right here on my home page. We're interested in editing and deleting, so we're going to go right up here to options, click on the arrow, select saved reports. We'll see our saved reports that are listed out here. Basically, if we want to edit one, we click on the icon, looks like a pencil, and we basically have our properties here. So we can uncheck any of these locked steps. So if we want somebody to always select the date range now instead of reusing our offset, we can uncheck that, turn these to 0, then now they'd have to put in the date range each time. And basically, you can rename it. You can do the offset by dates. You can do it by weeks, months, years, whatever one of these steps you want to change. Go ahead and do it. Once you have it complete, simply hit save and exit. Next option is how to delete it. So basically, we have this one here for downtime report, and we no longer need it because we haven't used it in a while. So basically, just go over here with the delete icon, which is this little X button. It's going to say, are you sure you want to delete this saved report? Just say OK. Now it's gone, no longer exists. And that's all there is to editing a saved report and removing a saved report. And we'll go over here. So, we'll go over the purpose of the saved reports. We edited one, we deleted one. Crack app, edit the properties on the saved report. Go ahead and run one with those new properties, see how it changes, see what it looks like. And then, if you have an unwanted saved report, go ahead and delete it. See how that works as well. And here we have the VRS2 overall wiki page. And then we have an overview page on save reports that should pretty much follow exactly what we did here today. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you have a great day.